Dr. Anthony Fauci, the top U.S. infectious disease official who became the face of America's COVID-19 pandemic response under Presidents Donald Trump and Joe Biden, announced he is stepping down in December after more than 5 decades of public service. Fauci, whose efforts to fight the pandemic were applauded by many public health experts, even as he was vilified by Trump and many on the right, will be leaving his post as chief medical advisor to Biden and as the director of the U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. Fauci, who is 81, has headed the institute since 1984. In a statement released Monday, Fauci said that, quote, "While I am moving on from my current positions, I am not retiring," echoing what he told Reuters in an interview earlier this month.
I will very likely leave the federal government, but not retire. When I leave, I'm not going to go play golf.
Fauci on Monday said he planned to, quote, "pursue the next phase of my career while I still have so much energy and passion for my field." Fauci has served under 7 U.S. presidents, beginning with Ronald Reagan, on newly emerging and re-emerging infectious disease threats, including HIV/AIDS, Ebola, and Zika. He became a popular and trusted figure among many Americans as the nation faced lockdowns and rising numbers of COVID-19 deaths. But he endured blistering criticism from Trump and various conservatives.
Let me finish.
You take an animal virus and you increase its transmissibility to humans.
Right.
You're saying that's not gain of function?
Yeah, that is correct. And Senator Paul, you do not know what you are talking about, quite frankly.
Attacks against Fauci by Republican Senator Rand Paul became a regular feature of Senate hearings on the pandemic. And on Monday, Republican lawmakers vowed to investigate him if they gain control of either the House of Representatives or Senate in November's congressional elections. Fauci has also endured death threats from people who objected to safeguards such as vaccinations, social distancing, and masking, and told Reuters in early August it was likely he would continue to have security detail even after he leaves his posts.
I don't know how long that will be, but certainly just because one announces next month, next year, or whatever, that you're going to step down, the threats don't necessarily stop, and there are a lot of them.
On Monday, Fauci told Reuters, quote, "I definitely feel it was worth staying as long as I have. It is unfortunate, but it is a fact of life that we are living in a very, very divisive society right now." President Biden, in a statement on Monday, said, quote, "I know the American people and the entire world will continue to benefit from Dr. Fauci's expertise in whatever he does next," adding that the United States of America is stronger, more resilient, and healthier because of him.